Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When phenol is heated with a small amount of potassium nitrite, NO2, and concentrated sulfuric acid, a nitroso compound is formed which then condenses with excess phenol to give an indophenol type dye. Moving on to the next step. Initially, the reaction mixture produces a deep red or brownet colored melt solution due to the formation of the nitrosophenol intermediate and the indophenol in acidic medium. In concentrated H2SO4 acidic conditions, the color observed is deep blue. The indophenol chromophore is protonated in its acid form showing deep blue. When the acid solution is diluted with water and then made alkaline, by adding NaOH or excess alkali, the color changes to green. The alkaline deprotonated form of indophenol is green. Therefore, the sequential color change is red-deep blue-green. And for the final step, option A states brown red-green-deep blue, which reverses the last two colors. The deep blue in acid medium comes before the green in alkaline medium. Option C red-green-white does not correctly describe the intermediate deep blue stage. Option D white-red-green does not match the known observations of Lieberman's nitroso test. The correct sequential color change in Lieberman's nitroso reaction is red-deep blue in acid-green in alkali. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.